Hello guys, how are you? Thanks for watching my videos and liking them. Today I will show you beautiful patterns of crochet slippers. These super fast crochet slippers are made from two simple rectangles, making the project perfect, so giftable and beginner friendly. View the free pattern and video tutorial below or purchase the This rectangle crochet slippers pattern is part of a collaboration with yarn. Are you ready to have some serious fun with your hook and one skein of yarn? These fast crochet slippers are an interesting experiment in geometry and could not be easier to make. Follow the pattern as writing using the suggested chunky yarn or burn through any yarn in your stash by following the alternate. I have been sort of a slippers quest over the years of designing crochet patterns, but let me tell you, I think I may have found my forever crochet slippers pattern. These slippers are so easy, like on par with the 1.5 or penny that easy. If you have somehow stumbled across this pattern and never crocheted before, I think you could make these slippers. If you have been crocheting forever and need a project you can whip up for your entire family this Christmas, this slippers patterns is going to be your secret weapon. One peek at the brief video tutorial below and you will see that these slippers are truly nothing more than a crochet rectangle that's informed